We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Rinnai RE180. Homeowner has all of the stickers, of course, right here. This might actually just take you for registration, but there's multiple in the homeowner's guide that you click on, you register it. Then also it tells you model number, serial number. So they've got all that. They are going to come back, potentially going to do either a self-built enclosure or get the one built for the RE unit. And we've got one on the way, but but I gave him the model number for that, so he knows what to do. Jones Stevens valves, hot and cold, right out of Ferguson. Water heater out of Ferguson. Everything else tied back in, so the electrical is not ours, but we do tie it back into the unit. And then we sealed it. Gas, same thing. That's a plumbing item. It was sealed, but it was fractured. It's been a while. And they used some good sticky sealant, but it was just cracked around. So now you can see quite a buildup of silicone. Back there, we ran into an issue there. I crimped something and then couldn't get my crimper in there, so I had to pull it back apart. But what we used is the knockout, the rubber gasket that normally is the knockout for the bottom of the unit here. We put that in there to protect it from the sides of the metal, and then siliconed it in. These have isolators in there from the original installation, both the relief line and the hot water. And they were sealed, but again, there was some movement and some fracture. So you can see there's a mighty mound of silicone all the way around. Anyway, so gas is on, power's on. We had one issue, which was it's on a GFCI and the breaker's in the garage. We checked the panel and of course it was on, but they reset it in the garage, so just be mindful of that. We wouldn't know. Typically we will check power, but nowadays you've got a panel out front, you got a secondary, a sub panel in the garage, and you've got breakers everywhere just because of the electrical codes. But it's working, 120. Hopefully everybody's satisfied, and outside of that, this installation is done.